it's raining, and that is the dumpster truck. And I was wanting to put some video for y'all to watch, because like some people want to know how much the truck puts, you know, trash in their truck. So they're doing that. Can I get it up close? I need to get it a little closer at least. A little more. That's a little too much. There we go. So yeah, that's a lot of trash there. So guys, I did get it on camera, a little late, but I think he's getting out to put them things. Wait, no. Sorry guys, that went like that because I'm not looking into it. And I need to be looking into it. It looks a little blurry on that, but... And it doesn't off the phone, but it'll be okay. I'm standing up right now so that way you guys can see him. So here we go, I'm thinking. So I don't have a channel on this phone, but I will eventually. I might, because, you know, a lot of that. So, you know, a lot of things to put on YouTube, right? You got it. Big thumbs up if you like this. So yeah, I want to drop it off camera there. So yeah, see you guys later. Goodbye.